Unit number 4, Harakaat. And what are Harakaat? As I have in asked all my previous lessons since I have started unit number 4, I have repeated in every lesson zber, zer and pesh, fatha, kasra and zamma in Arabic language. These three are called Harakaat in Al-Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dears, how are you? I hope you will be fine there and enjoying Ramadan, the last ashara of Ramadan al-Mubarak. Guys, once again I welcome back you on my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid with another day, with another video and with another lesson. And as well as who are newcomers on my channel, must subscribe my channel and must watch all my coming videos. So in this regard, you don't have to be forget